Assalamu-Alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel GD Mentor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed Benny's production into something spooky. Before getting started, I'll show you the rules which I have to follow to create this artwork. The artwork must be Halloween themed. Only one submission per person is allowed. Multiple provided images can be used in one edit. Artwork must be of 4:5 ratio with a resolution of my own choice. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Ravens in the sky, solitude creeping from behind as I hide from the moonlight. Please now set me free, shimmering skin summoned by the unescapable midnight. The howling of the wind, the cracking of my bones. I'm waiting for oblivion to take control. Blazing eyes are burning like a fire. Feel the change, unleash the beast, consume my soul. Ravens in the sky, solitude creeping from behind as I hide from the moonlight. Please now set me free, shimmering skin summoned by the unescapable midnight. The howling of the wind, the cracking of my bones. I'm waiting for oblivion to take control. Blazing eyes are burning like a fire. Feel the change, unleash the beast, consume my soul.
a bit of off-camera editing, and after applying the camera raw filter, this is our final result. If you enjoyed watching the video, consider hitting the like and subscribing the channel, and hit the bell icon too so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, Assalamu Alaikum.